Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 19, Data Handling. So firstly, what is data? Data, if like I want to measure the height of each student in your class, like if there are 30 students in your class and I want to measure the height of each student, if I measured one by one height and I write it on the notebook, like first student height is 5, second is 5.2, third one is 6, fourth one is 4.2, like this is called the numerical data. But when we arrange the data in some ascending order and in descending order, that is called data handling. Like one more example, if there are 11 players in a cricket team and they scored runs like 23, 15, 30, 35, 45, 35, 47, 35, 35, 23 and 35. The scores of 11 players in a cricket team are like this. This is called the numerical data and it is written in the form of raw data. This is called raw data because this is not organized data. We didn't organize this data in ascending or descending order now. This is just written the scores of players, that is called raw data. But when we arrange this data in ascending or descending order, like if I write this data in ascending order, ascending means smaller to biggest number, 15, 23, 23, 30, 35, again 35, 35, 35 is 5 times, after that 45, 47. I arrange this data in ascending order. Now this is called organizing data or also called arrayed data. We can also write this data in tabular form, that is called frequency distribution table. When we arrange this data in tabular form, that is called frequency distribution table. In frequency distribution table, we use tally marks for the numbers. Like if one number is there, we used one standing line. If 2, then 2. 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4 standing lines. But for 5, we used 4 standing lines and 1 diagonally line. If we put this data in tabular form, we will write firstly runs scored. Firstly we write the lowest 15, after that 23, 30, 35, 45, 47. We write the runs scored only one time. When we are writing in numbers, we write only one time 15, 23, 30, 35. We write in ascending order or in descending order. After that tally marks. We use tally marks for this. How many times 15 came? One time now, so we write one standing line. How many times 23 came? 2 times, we used 2 lines. 30 one time. 35 is 5 times, we write 5 like this now. 45 is 1 time, 47 is also 1 time. Its frequency means we write it in the numbers, these tally marks, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. When we add these numbers, we get 11 because 11 players are there now. 1 plus 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 9, 10, 11. It means our frequency table is right. Next one is range. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. The data we have written, the different number is called the observation in data handling. These are observations. Range is difference of highest observation and the lowest observation. In this you can see highest observation is 47 and the lowest is 51. We will do subtraction. 47 minus 15, we get 32. Range of these scores are 32.